A young boy was sitting on a log staring into the forest. He was getting along well with the animals. They were his friends. He had been playing with them for hours, and they all loved him very much. He looked like a camel, calm and focused, with his big brown eyes gazing into the distance. The boy was observing all the little details around him, the trees, the rocks, the flowers, the clouds. He was learning so much from this world, and he was happy to be a part of it. The animals were also curious about the boy. They would often come up to him and sniff him to see what he was doing, to see what he was looking at. Sometimes they would join him on the log and sit together in silence, just enjoying the moment. The boy knew that he was lucky to have such wonderful friends. He knew that he could always count on them to be there for him, to listen to him, to love him. And he knew that he would never forget his time spent with them in the forest.